Hello everyone, welcome to another exciting edition of Cooking Experience with Delicious Foods, always delicious. Today we'll be making spinach and banana smoothie. For the ingredients, we have fresh banana and spinach leaves. We're going to start off by peeling the banana and washing the spinach leaves. So that's our bananas peeled. These are spinach. We're going to wash our spinach leaves. These are the spinach leaves. So we're going to wash our spinach leaves. Put a lot of water in case there's dirt. The dirt will settle at the bottom of your bowl. We're going to chop our banana into smaller sizes. So chopping our banana into smaller chunks. So that's our banana. These are washed spinach leaves. Going to add water. Add spinach. Blend our spinach first. Just some of our spinach leaves. Add more water. We blend the spinach to be smooth before we add banana. As you can see, the spinach is smooth, so we add our banana. Now, our spinach and banana smoothie is ready. Very smooth. Now, that's your spinach and banana smoothie. Now, that's a glass of smoothie. Spinach and banana smoothie. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to Nuelicious Foods. Like, share, and comment down below. See you next time. Bye.